So this sequence is going to have like an inverted balance split with a hip key and a peacock drop. I'm going to demo the peacock drop, but when you do it, you want to walk the peacock drop down until you've done it a couple times. So you're going to first start with back belt. Oh, I'm not going to tell you. So let's try it. All right, let's walk through all the steps for this one. First, you want to start in back belt, lean back, pick a side. So we're going to go with this left side, cross your left foot over the fabric, take your right leg straight back behind you. You're going to climb up on your fabric, pull up on both fabrics, pull up with your bicep strength so this fabric comes really high up into your hips, and then turn in. That's the key. You really want to make sure that that fabric's super high in. From here, you're going to take that bottom hip, roll in towards your fabric. That's going to create your hip key. From here, take the top leg, the leg that's not wrapped, kick that leg straight up to the sky. Bring the leg around both fabrics so that the fabric is in between your legs, and pike your feet. Now, I don't have a very good split, so you can do whatever you want, but it's a balancing TikTok pose. So you're going to grab the foot that's wrapped, start to take your opposite leg that's not wrapped back behind you. See how it starts to balance? If you don't have a split, take that bent knee. Who cares? From there, you're going to go ahead and reach back to your fabric with your left or right hand, and then hook that left knee. So the one that's wrapped, hook it around your fabric, and let's walk this drop down. So you're going to hold your fabric and let that knee unwrap so that the fabric comes behind the knee. From there, you can land all the way in chandelier. So come out. Reach your hands up to your hips and unwrap like you normally do.